You cleaning up the walls? Oh, that one was a very dirty one. Thank you, buddy. Cleaning up the stove? This is a dirty, dirty house, huh? Oh, good job. Clean that up. Oh, clean those pillows. They have lots of puppy hair on them. And clean your slide. Good job, buddy. Oh, yep, gotta clean that chair. Wow, are you a good helper? Oh, clean it up, clean it up. Yep, gotta clean off that slide. Oh, good job. That is a dusty table. What else are you gonna clean? Oh, clean your bins. Clean the chair. Nice job. Oh, clean the basket. Very good. Oh, good job. That we need to get that spot. Clean the wall. Good job, buddy. Oh, that wall too? Ooh, you're working hard. Oh yeah, gotta clean the gate. Gotta clean the gate. Good job. What else can we find? Oh, clean the cups. Oh, clean your toys. Clean your toys? Yep, that's your dinosaur, right? Do you clean your dinosaur? That's a good idea, buddy. Or is that your airplane? That's your airplane, okay. That's right. Thank you for telling Mama. You are so busy. So busy cleaning up Mama's messy house. Clean those blinds. Oh, good idea. Clean out that cup. Clean out your cup. Wow, buddy, you are quite the helper. Thank you. Yep, clean the chair.